Welcome to this course Basic Manufacturing Process Unit First and Lecture Third. Creep and Creep Testing. This is topic Creep and Creep Testing. Agenda for today is the implementing of the topic creep, creep and creep testing, simplification, standardization, infection and quality control, interchangeability, mechanization, automation, computer aided design, computer aided manufacturing, material equipment planning, group technology, and NC machines. All the topic include today is present in this video. Creep and creep testing. The continuous elongation of a material with time at a constant stress and high temperature below elastic limit is called the creep. At, at temperature stress below the elastic limit can cause uh, some permanent deformation on stress strain diagram. There are three steps of creep. In the first stage, the material elongate rapidly but at the decreasing rate. First is material elongation rapidly अचानक से. Third step in the second stage, the rate of elongation is constant. In third stage, the rate of elongation increase rapidly until the material fails. The stress for the stra- specific rate of strain at a constant temperature is called the creep strength. Strain at a constant temperature is called creep strength. Creep and creep testing continue. Tests are carried out from a period for a period few days to many years. The test can be carried out a universal testing machine with a special attachment. Creep curve so far stage of elongation, primary creep curve and secondary creep and tertiary creep. The primary creep work hardening decreases and recovery is low. Work hardening decrease and recovery is low. Rate secondary creep rate of work hardening and recovery of process is equal. Third, tertiary creep green boundary cracks necking reduce cross sectional area of the test specimen. Cross sectional area of the test specimen. Creep and creep testing continues. The creep strength is used for the design of bleed and other part of stream and gas turbines work at high temperature of materials. These are presented the figure creep and creep test or perform to the curve. The x-axis is presented by strain and y-axis is presented by time. Creep test curve. The specimen the at the some point instantaneous elongation. The material is when the applied the load, the material is continuous deformation sometime some strain then then the some point is the applied load on a specimen the time is increases at a point this this proportion primary creep at the constant elongation at the primary point and the secondary point the time is increase very high. Time is increased very high and strain is constant at the point. The third stage, the time is rapidly change, but strain is rise continuous at a point x. X point is the point is fracture point. When a specimen testing a specimen fail, this point is the specimen testing fail. Simplification. It is the process which limited number of grades, limited number of grades, types of size of a product determine order to have better control, minimize waste material, simplify production and thus simplify production and the reduce price of the product. Standardization. Standardization. It is the second step toward interchangeability. Manufacturer increase output, increase the output and higher economic. Third point, the process of standardization involves determining the best material. Manufacturers manufacturing process called techniques for the manufacturing process and called techniques for the manufacturer of a product. Important inspection and quality control. Inspections means होता है बारीकी से. It is another important function of a product of a product unit. The manufacturing firm want to maintain it the r- reputation along the user, maintain it the reputation among the users. It should under all condition strive hard and not to be to keep up the standard of quality of its products once established, but improve the some products. For this, every concern maintain a full fledged infection and quality control department which infect the product at various stage of its production. All the point and product applicable of equipment and step in use the production of product. Important term interchangeability. It is a principle applied to the mass production. Interchangeability is the application of mass production of identical component such that any one of the components select at random will suit the assembly condition to meet the requirement of operation. Me- Mechanization. It is the mechanizing the human effort to the extent it is possible by adopting mechanical means, the method of different process such a tried Maybe material handling, loading, unloading, components, actual operation, actual operation done on the job or transportation. This external mechanization in application of equipment, plant, machinery, and loading, unloading, material handling, component, actual operation done on the job or transportation and so on. Automation, it is the further extension of mechanization and involve adoption automatic control for the operation different machines. This automatic control may be adopt adopt for only few operation all the operation of a machine and accordingly to machine will be known a semi-automatic fully automatic. Computer aided design it is the software, it is also known as software. The CAD enables design engineers to reach rough out particular product configuration and review implemented feedback on the specimens specification. In utilized CAT, the computer draws pictures on the video screen, so CAT can speed up the normally so la- laborious work of drafting. Computer aided manufacturing. Computer aided manufacturing. We have studied this is a also that the CAD function of the application fully take care of product design, product research and analysis, preparation of assembly, drawing, part drawing, bill of materials, make or visit a decision. It is she. Simply, similarly, computers are being widely used in numerical numerical control CNC of the machine. All areas of actual manufacturing include process optimization, product control, production control, part and material movement, part and movement, material management, monitoring, scheduling, in which known as CAM. Material requirement planning. What is the material requirement planning? Inventory management, material requirement planning in under the important word using inventory management is another virtual area where the computer are widely used. Material requirement planning, which is based on the production schedule. Production schedule, bill of materials, record of inventory in respect to raw material, in process material, purchase parts, components, parts in process, finish product, delivery schedule, delivery schedules, all the important points in the material requirement planning in applicable. Group technology. I see far I see far and present in the group technology. What is the meaning of group technology? Group technology is a wide concept of manufacturing in which the conveyed that several problems problems have similar features which is solved together in the group or in group result in greater economy of efficiency. For the application of this concept to manufacturing, different parts are analyzed in respect of the similarities in their design, features, manufacturing process, and sequence of operation. NC machines क्या होती हैं? What is the meaning of NC machine? In मतलब numerically controlled machines which implies implies controlling the relative relative movement of the cutting tool, work, cutting speed, feed, and path of cut. Other point. Such the control of machine tools enable high accuracies, closer dimensions, close dimensional tolerance, enhanced productivity, and reduction in production cost. Thank you, friends. All the this is the lecture is very important in the some point